Production bill of material is a key component in the manufacturing. In this release, we enhanced usability to make sure that it's easier for you to maintain the list of components needed to produce product. But it's easier to see in the demo.
And let's start with the production bill of material. The first thing you probably notice is document attachment, where you can add additional information like drawings or specifications or other materials needed. There's also an active version that you can access via the Assist Edit button. How does this version differ from the main bill of material? The new version comparison matrix includes all information about the main bill of material, as well as available versions. Different option levels can be adjusted to determine how subassemblies are displayed, whether as entire subassemblies or their individual components. Let's review our second version. Navigate to the version list where the starting date and the status are displayed. Proceed with the edits as usual, or use the Select Items action to select multiple items at once. Ensure quantities are updated. Consider using the Edit in Excel functionality for large bill of materials. Close the version. Starting from this release, a confirmation dialog appears if the status is not certified. Certify the version and attempt to close the page again. Let's see where this production bill of material is used. Navigate to the item. There are actions related to assembly and the production bill of materials. You can open the main bill of material and navigate to the active version, or jump directly to the certified version based on the current date.
Thank you for watching. You can learn more about this capability in the release note. Also remember to watch other videos about enhancement on manufacturing area. You can find links in the description.